I installed a video doorbell after a package was stolen from my porch. It gave me peace of mind, at least for a while. Then the notifications started. Every single night at exactly 3:09 a.m., my phone would buzz. Motion detected. But whenever I checked the live feed, there was nothing, just pure static. White noise, like something was pressed right up against the lens. One night I finally had enough. I downloaded the footage and slowed it way down. For just a split second, between the frames of static, I saw it. An eye, staring directly into the camera. Wide open, unblinking. I immediately called the police. They found nothing, of course, and told me it was probably just a glitch. The next night I was ready. At 3:09 a.m., my phone buzzed. I opened the live view, and my heart stopped. A man's face filled the entire screen. He was smiling. I screamed and called the police again. By the time they arrived, he was gone, and the footage just static. But as the clip ended, I heard a faint whisper, "See you tomorrow. It's 1 a.m. now." And my phone just buzzed. Motion detected.